Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 30th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Extra Space Storage, a leading self-storage operator in the U.S. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Extra Space Storage has just released their third quarter results for 2025, and there's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Extra Space Storage reported a net income of 78 cents per diluted share, which is a 14.3% decrease from last year. However, their Core FFO was 208 cents per share, slightly above last year's 27 cents. John, what does this tell us about their profitability?
While the net income saw a decline, primarily due to a $105.1 million loss related to assets held for sale, the Core FFO shows a slight improvement, indicating stable operational performance. The same-store revenue and NOI declines suggest some challenges in maintaining growth, but the slight increase in Core FFO is a positive sign of underlying strength.
Strategic initiatives and acquisitions. Extra Space Storage has been active in acquisitions and strategic growth. They acquired one store for $12.8 million and with joint venture partners another for $14.2 million. They also added 95 stores to their management platform. How do these moves position them for future growth?
These acquisitions and the expansion of their management platform are strategic moves to enhance their market presence. By originating $122.7 million in bridge loans, they're also leveraging financial instruments to support growth. This positions them well to capitalize on market opportunities and expand their footprint.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operationally, Extra Space Storage maintained a high occupancy rate of 93.7% and paid a quarterly dividend of $1.62 per share. They've also increased their credit facility to $3 billion. What does this mean for their future outlook?
The high occupancy rate and consistent dividend payments reflect strong operational efficiency. Increasing the credit facility provides them with more financial flexibility to pursue growth opportunities. Their Core FFO guidance of $8.00 to $8.20 for the year suggests confidence in their ability to navigate the current market conditions.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.06 based on a survey of 8 analysts. Extra Space Storage reported a Core FFO of $2.08 per share. How does this compare to expectations, and what does it indicate about analyst sentiment?
Extra Space Storage slightly beat the analyst forecast, which is a positive indicator. This suggests that the company is performing slightly better than expected, which could bolster investor confidence. The slight beat in Core FFO over the forecasted EPS reflects effective cost management and operational execution.
CEO insights and market conditions. CEO Joe Margolis mentioned being encouraged by the gradual improvement in market fundamentals and accelerating new customer rate growth. How does this align with their external growth activities?
The CEO's insights highlight a positive market sentiment with improving fundamentals and customer rate growth. Their active external growth initiatives, including acquisitions and management platform expansion, align well with this outlook, suggesting a strategic approach to capitalize on these market conditions.
Key takeaways. In summary, Extra Space Storage has delivered a solid performance in Q3 2025, with a slight beat on Core FFO expectations and strategic growth initiatives. Their high occupancy and consistent dividends reflect operational strength. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Extra Space Storage's performance, They seem well positioned for future growth.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Extra Space Storage's performance in the comments below.